The current state of steel fabrication is marked by manual processes and skilled labor shortages. Rising costs are pushing the industry to adapt. AI and automation are no longer just buzzwords, they are essential tools for survival. These technologies will redefine the industry, making some practices obsolete and others revolutionary. AI applications include predictive maintenance and automated quality control. Optimized material utilization is another key benefit of AI. Automation breakthroughs like collaborative robots and autonomous guided vehicles are changing the landscape. Smart welding systems are also making a significant impact. Early adopters are already seeing efficiency gains and cost reductions. AI transforms raw fabrication data into actionable insights for improved planning. Digital twins simulate processes, identifying bottlenecks before production. Data-driven decisions provide a competitive edge with higher precision. The evolution of job roles is shifting from manual labor to supervisory positions. Human-AI collaboration will be crucial for success. Businesses must invest in training and reskilling programs for a smooth transition.